It's done. Good, very good. Yes, already done. So, and then I'm gonna make the fishing rod more longer. Look at this. It's not too long, only 1 meter a half, but it's for barongan fish. I think it's not need longer fishing rod. Okay, and then we place this mix of flour and water and green color flavoring to the hooks, so the fish will be eat this and we can catch the fish by pull the string if the fish already eat this bait. Okay, place this flour to this hook, single hook. Okay, only this single hook, the jangkar hook, don't place the flour, the bait. So only one up here. You place the flour or the bait. So how it works, when the fish eat this, we can pull the fishing rod, so the fish become the body become catch with this hook. Okay, and then we place this to the water. Okay, 1 2 3. Yes, it's done. Look at that. It's very simple how to fishing. So don't forget subscribe, like and comment under this video. Thank you for watching and see you next time in next video. Good morning everyone.